When we talk about extinct animals, names like the dodo or the woolly mammoth come to mind. But extinction is far more widespread and often affects species most people have never heard of. Today, we're revealing 10 extinct creatures that once roamed Earth but quietly vanished. From island parrots to desert fish, their stories are both fascinating and tragic. Number 1. The quagga, extinct in 1883. Location: South Africa. The quagga looked like a half-zebra, half-horse hybrid. Only the front portion of its body bore black and white stripes, while the back was brown like a horse. It was once abundant in the grasslands of South Africa, but was hunted relentlessly for meat, hides, and because it competed with livestock. The last known quagga died in the Amsterdam Zoo in 1883. Interestingly, scientists are now attempting to bring it back through selective breeding using plain zebras. Number 2. Tacopa pupfish, extinct in 1981. Location is California, USA. Tiny and unassuming, the Tacopa pupfish lived only in the hot springs of the Mojave Desert. It adapted to water temperatures above 100 degrees Fahrenheit and fed on algae in the shallow pools. But when the hot springs were altered for tourism and bathhouses in the 1950s and 60s, their ecosystem was destroyed. It became the first species officially declared extinct under the U.S. Endangered Species Act. Number 3. Stevens Island wren, extinct in circa 1895. Location: New Zealand. One of the only flightless songbirds ever discovered, the Stevens Island wren met a bizarre and tragic fate. It was wiped out allegedly by a single cat named Tibbles, owned by the lighthouse keeper on the remote island. Though the story might be exaggerated, the cat population did exterminate the entire species shortly after its discovery. It serves as a chilling example of how invasive species can devastate isolated ecosystems. Number 4. Partula snail, extinct in the wild in 1990s. Location: French Polynesia. Known as Polynesian tree snails, these beautiful, colorful snails once lived in harmony on island trees. In the 1970s, the rosy wolf snail was introduced to control another invasive species, but instead it hunted the Partula snails into extinction. Over 50 species of Partula have since vanished in the wild, though some are being bred in zoos for possible reintroduction. Number 5. Pinto Island tortoise, extinct in 2012. Location: Galapagos Islands. This tortoise species became globally famous thanks to Lonesome George, the last known Pinto Island tortoise. He was discovered in 1971 and lived at the Charles Darwin Research Station. Despite global conservation efforts, no mate was ever found. He passed away in 2012, officially ending the species. George now stands taxidermied in a museum, a haunting symbol of extinction. Number 6. Guam flying fox, extinct in 1968. Location: Guam and Micronesia. This small fruit bat played a crucial role in pollination and forest health in Guam's ecosystem. But habitat destruction and unregulated hunting drove it to extinction. Though bats are often feared, this gentle species helped maintain plant diversity, and its loss is still felt in local ecology. Number 7. Carolina Parakeet, extinct in 1918. Location: Eastern United States. Bright, beautiful, and noisy, the Carolina Parakeet was North America's only native parrot. Tragically, its habit of flocking made it an easy target for farmers and feather collectors. It was hunted for its colorful plumage and because it raided crops. The last one died in captivity in the same cage as the last passenger pigeon, an eerie coincidence in the timeline of extinction. Number 8. Syrian wild ass hemipus, extinct in 1927. Location: Middle East. This compact, desert-adapted donkey was known for its incredible speed and stamina. It was revered in ancient Mesopotamian texts and once roamed modern-day Syria, Iraq, and Iran. As agriculture expanded and water sources diminished, the hemipus was hunted to extinction. Number 9. Paradise parrot. Extinct in 1920s. Location: Eastern Australia. With dazzling blue-green feathers and a bright red belly, this bird was once common in grassy woodlands. Its decline was rapid thanks to overgrazing, land clearing, and possibly trapping. Despite sporadic sighting claims, it has not been verified alive since the 1920s. Number 10. Christmas Island blue-tailed skink. Extinct in the wild, 2010. Location: Indian Ocean. One of the last reptiles to go extinct in the wild, this bright skink was endemic to Christmas Island. Invasive species like yellow crazy ants and feral cats contributed to its disappearance. Fortunately, some individuals are alive in captive breeding programs, offering a sliver of hope. These animals might not be as famous as the dodo or saber-toothed cat, but their stories are no less important. They represent just a fraction of Earth's incredible biodiversity that's being lost before our eyes. Let's not wait until it's too late for the species still clinging to survival. Like, subscribe, and share if you believe their stories deserve to be heard. Comment below which extinct animal from this list surprised you the most.